Your home should tell a story of who you are and be a collection of the things you love. Hi and welcome to my channel. I'm the CEO and creative lead at Vertex Homes and Interiors, one of the fastest growing home acquisition and interior decorating companies in Ghana. I'm here to give you very valuable advice on property acquisition, interior decor, and a few lifestyle hacks that will change your life. So you're welcome to the channel once again. My name is Angie. So this property is situated in an apartment complex. What this means is there are other properties on the same floor belonging to different people, some managed by this apartment complex itself. So I'm going to take you into the room we thoughtfully designed, and then we'll speak as we go along. So what's happening here is this property is an open plan, as in the hall and the kitchen are closely knit together. There are no walls barring each one from the other. This property came fully fitted with a kitchen, but we put some essentials in there so that when our clients comes in, they can have access to everything really. So everything is fully fitted and customized to fit the space. So yeah, pretty much this grainy, dark, kind of masculine look makes it more livable. I think the intention of our clients was to use this place as an Airbnb and for short lets. So you don't want to make it too feminine, you don't want to make it too masculine. You want it to be able to serve every demographic. Every client that walks in must be satisfied that at least it's tailored to fit, making it a bit more, what's the word again? A bit more neutral. So yeah. This is the kitchen area, and downstairs we have one ensuite bedroom. That is, it comes with a bathroom and the bedroom, and then there's another ensuite bedroom upstairs with a hall and a hall downstairs. So this is practically a duplex. I'll take you in to the first bedroom and then we'll talk. Okay, so this first bedroom downstairs is one of my favorite places because everything here screams luxury. The leather bed, the leather ottoman, luxurious. Luxury is the word. Okay, so the ensuite bathroom, don't mind the extractor. The ensuite bathroom is also very spacious. I mean, very spacious for the kind of apartment we are dealing with. You have a walk-in shower. I mean, everything you need to be comfortable is here. And then we look at the bedroom. The choice of lamps are essential for the aesthetics of every bedroom. This preference of gold and black and a little bling here matches the mirror image here. This mirror looks a bit rustic, a bit Victorian, but it blends in nicely. We don't want to shift too much from what the client intended us to do. So we brought contemporary and modern, mixed it up and added a little bit of bling. So yeah, this is one of my favorite bedrooms for this particular apartment space we worked with. Yeah, so yeah, and our choice of painting, we wanted earth tones that didn't have to scream, you know, a lot of color. To match in perfectly with the client's idea, we chose very, very nude colors. As you can see here, this wall is the accent wall, and this wall is the initial wall that we came to meet, but we had to leave the color as it was. But we just, you know, so that when you're here, when you're lying on the bed, the light infusions from this big window kind of warms the room up and makes you feel more at home. So let's check out the other places. Okay, so this is the dining area. Because of the limitation in space, we had to put the dining area under the staircase so that we make it a bit functional. Leather chairs with very fine marble tables. The surface is solid and looks very expensive. I mean, you can't go wrong with marble. So yeah, that's the dining area. This is a good size balcony for this particular duplex. And there's a beautiful view of the apartments. There's a pool downstairs. And I think there's a gym downstairs as well. But for this size, it's beautiful. There's a beautiful turf. You can take your shoes off, enjoy the sun here. Yeah. Okay, so I mentioned earlier that there was a big bedroom upstairs, which is also en suite. Has its own living area. It's something I think you must see. Let's go in. So this is the bedroom upstairs. I mean, look at the lighting. And I mean, this is very light and airy. Nice space of wardrobes. I mean, an airbed can even fit here. I mean, if there are too many people in this room, you can easily fit an airbed. It's a nice size for a bedroom, I must admit. So yeah, the bathroom here is bigger than the one downstairs because I assume this is the master bedroom because of the accompanying shower is huge. I mean, this is too much space, So yeah, sticking to the theme of class and a little bit of masculinity, we attempted to do it a bit, minimal as possible. Leathers, fairs, whites, neutrals, just enough to make the room feel homey to anybody traveling from outside and wanting a place to live in Accra. So yeah, the fact is I'm going to link all the description of the property after this in the description bar, so you can be able to look for the property. If you're coming into Accra and you need a place to lodge, I would definitely recommend this apartment to you. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed a short session of the bedrooms. Let me show you the last part of the room of the apartment and then we continue. Opening from the upstairs bedroom, you come into a big space living area upstairs. I mean, it's functional. It has everything you need to feel at home, really. These nice textured faux leather seats with silver trimmings. I mean, when you want class, this apartment oozes it. So yeah, that's basically it. Let's go downstairs and look at the main living area, and I think that'll be it for today. Okay, so this is the main living area. The wall units we built ourselves. It's customized to fit this space. The ornaments, everything just comes together perfectly to tell a story, really. Because we had in mind that our client was not going to live here permanently. Also, he was going to use here for an Airbnb and a shortlet. Our client intended for it to be a multifunctional space. So if we had clients coming around to have business meetings, cocktails, whatever it was, it should be able to fit purpose. So we played around a bit with colors and textures, and I mean, this is beautiful for the requirement of our clients. I hope you enjoyed our little walkthrough session in this apartment we thoughtfully designed for our clients. If you like this sort of content, like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I upload, and binge watch on our videos. I mean, in this very trying times, Corona season, keep safe, wash your hands, sanitize, keep your mask on, stay home and stay safe. So we'll see you in our next episode. Have yourself a nice time.